Business Central holds a wealth of valuable information about your company. Yet, many users find themselves struggling with limited, out-of-the-box reporting capabilities, especially when it comes to combining data across the functional silos like sales, inventory, and procurement. OmniAnalytics unlocks clear and impactful trend analysis across your business by combining relevant functional groups and providing turnkey dashboards that can be easily customized. This sales report, built off our supply chain management model, gives key sales metrics and trends across different products and customer groups. But we can also quickly pull in procurement or inventory data all in the same place. Rather than worrying about where the data lives and what tables to join, we can simply drop in a quick table showing inventory detail, grab our item information, quantity on hand, and inventory value. With ready-to-go models for finance, sales, inventory, and procurement, OmniAnalytics breaks down barriers and lets you hit the ground running with easy customizable reporting. Find out more about eliminating silos and making data accessible at omnidata.com. Schedule your consultation today.